we have 5 awards. The first award is the Gregorio Y. Zara Award for Basic Science Research. This is established to serve an inspiration for Filipino scientists and researchers. The award also honors one of the most outstanding national scientists of the Philippines, Dr. Gregorio Y. Zara, who made major contributions to the advancement of engineering and inventions in the Philippines. At this point, may I request the daughter of Dr. Gregorio Y. Zara Award, Dr. Y. Zara, Dr. Pasita Zara, together with our Secretary de la Peña, and our keynote speaker, Dr. Nograles, and the PHILAAST President, Dr. Montoya, our awardee for the Gregorio Y. Zara Award for Basic Research is Dr. Carlo Arcilla. Dr. Carlo Arcilla is a PhD in Geosciences and Geotechnical Engineering, briefly taught at Northeastern Illinois University, then at UP Diliman National Institute of Geological Sciences, the LEEDS. He developed the first garbage-fueled electric power plant in Payatas, designated the responsible party for the West Tower petroleum disaster. Currently, Dr. Arcilla is the director of the Philippine Nuclear Research Institute, president of the Earth Science section of the Asia-Oceania Geological Society, a pioneer in carbon sequestration studies. His current projects include lowering the cost of cancer diagnosis through nuclear medicine and innovative nuclear applications in agriculture. He is also the recipient of the Most Outstanding Geologist Award. Ladies and gentlemen, the Gregorio Y. Zara Award for Basic Research, Dr. Carlo Arcilla. The recipient of the Gregorio Y. Zara Award for Applied Science Research is Dr. Raymond Tan. Dr. Tan holds a PhD degree in Mechanical Engineering. He is currently Professor of Chemical Engineering and the current Vice Chancellor for Research and Innovation of De La Salle University, Manila. A top researcher in areas of process integration and process systems engineering, particularly in carbon emission pitch analysis. He is the leading authority in PSEPI sub-areas and focuses on computing techniques development and their applications in contemporary problems. He holds editorial positions in 4 scientific journals and 2 books on process design, co-author for a book of input-output models. Dr. Tan is a multiple awardee from NAST, DOST, and CHEF, to name a few. Ladies and gentlemen, the Gregorio Y. Zara Award for Applied Science Research, Dr. Raymond Tan. At this point, may we call on the chair. The chair of the Board of Judges for this next award is also Dr. Pasita Zara. May we request Dr. Zara to please be on stage as well, being the chair of the Board of Judges for the Dr. Paulo C. Campos Award for Health Research. And may we call on the son of Dr. Paulo Campos, Dr. Jose Paulo Campos, the current president of Emilio Aguinaldo College. Dr. Paulo C. Campos Award for Health Research is established to recognize outstanding medical researchers who have devoted their professional careers in the service of the country. Also serves to honor the memory of Dr. Paulo Campos, a national scientist who was an advocate of good professional education in the health sciences. For this year, our Dr. Paulo C. Campos Award for Health Research is Dr. Cleotilde Hidalgo-How. Dr. How taught basic and clinical pharmacology at the UP Manila and introduced to students the World Health Organization Guide to Good Prescribing. Became a member of the WHO Core Group for Childhood Tuberculosis. Became part of the working group that produced the 2010 Rapid Advice for Anti-Tuberculosis Drugs. Dr. How had book published that focused on childhood tuberculosis and how to provide appropriate interventions. Her major works include formulation of a new fixed-dose combination on anti-TB drugs in a dispensable pediatric tablet and the Philippine Pediatric Society Tuberculosis Gallery. Ladies and gentlemen, our awardee for the Dr. Campos Award, Dr. Cleotilde Hidalgo-How. Congratulations. Our next award is the DM Consunji Award for Engineering Research. Calling on the family of Engineer Consunji. I believe they are the son and the daughter, or the son and the daughter. All right. Thank you. Thank you. May we also call the chair of the Board of Judges to be represented by Dr. Alvin Kulama. The DM Consunji Award for Engineering Research is established to recognize outstanding researchers in the field of engineering. Engineer David M. Consunji is a multi-awardee, and some of his awards include the Meralco Award in Engineering and Applied Sciences, Outstanding Filipino Award for Construction Industry, and 100 Outstanding Alumni Engineers of the Century. Our awardee for the DM Consunji Award is given to Dr. Susan M. Gallardo. Dr. Gallardo specializes in environmental engineering and catalysis, and industrial and hazardous waste treatment and management. Has a patent for water filtration system and a utility model registration for the photocatalysis of titanium with activated carbon. Has multiple collaborative researches involving waste treatment and development of sustainable systems. Dr. Gallardo is currently involved in research and consultancy at the De La Salle University Center for Engineering, Sustainable Development and Research. And she is currently the lead proponent of the project Greening a Selected Community in the Philippines. She is actively involved in community outreach programs related to solid waste management, water resources engineering, wastewater treatment, and hazardous waste management. Ladies and gentlemen, our awardee for the DM Consunji Award, Dr. Susan M. Gallardo. Our next award is the LEEDS Agri Award for agricultural research. May we call on stage the chair of the Board of Judges for this award, Dr. Reynaldo Ebora, and Dr. Ray De La Cruz. Thank you too to the family of DM Consunji. Maraming salamat. The LEEDS Agri Award for Agricultural Research, or LEEDS, has relentlessly pursued its corporate thrust of understanding the needs of Filipino farmers better, and has used as their guiding principle their corporate thrust of better yields, better lives. For this year's LEEDS Agri Award for Agricultural Research, our awardee is Dr. Emma Sales. Dr. Sales established the first tissue culture and biotechnology laboratory in Region 12, developed diagnostic tools for the identification of varieties of durian, rubber, and mango, currently assisting the Bureau of Plant Industry in certifying and authenticating rubber planting materials and accrediting rubber nurseries. She has received various awards such as Best Paper and Best Research Paper, awarded as Outstanding Agricultural Scientist by the Department of Agriculture. She is the former president of the Crop Science Society of the Philippines, spearheaded the revival of the Journal of Crop Science, and assisted in having indexed in the International Scientific Indexing, ISI, this particular journal. Ladies and gentlemen, the LEEDS Agri Award for Agricultural Research, Dr. Emma Sales. Congratulations, Dr. Our next award is the Mariano Cruel Award for Advanced Engineering and Technology Application. May I call on stage the Chair of the Board of Judges, Engineer Zara, the family, the Mario Cruel Award for Advanced Engineering Technology Application is established to recognize individuals who contributed to the promotion, enhancement, and development of engineering and technology innovations in the country. Also hopes to engage and challenge engineers, technologists, and scientists to advance engineering solutions to problems faced by different sectors in the communities. Our awardee for the Mario Cruel Award for Advanced Engineering Technology Application is Engineer Robert Dizon. Engineer Robert Dizon has an MS in Engineering, Electrical Engineering degree, and he is the former Assistant Secretary of the DOST-STII and managed the Project Management and Engineering Design Service Office. He developed a configuration for multiple variable frequency devices used in the automated guideway transit system, the hybrid electric road train, and the hybrid electric train. The engineer Dizon also developed the hybrid configuration for the diesel electric generator set and battery pack used in the different trains, as well as the driveless system for the AGT. Currently, he is the Executive Director of the MIRDC and is the Program Leader for the Transforming Philippines MSMES through Industry 4.0 and establishment of the Advanced Mechatronics, Robotics, and Industrial Automation Laboratory programs. Ladies and gentlemen, the awardee of our Mario Cruel Award for Advanced Engineering and Technology Application, Engineer Robert Dizon. Congratulations. May we call upon all our awardees, please, and our sponsors.